So if you're balding, this is a serious issue. Losing hair, baldness, hair not being able to grow is all a sign of acidosis. This means your body is very acidic. This means that the foods you've been eating, the animal products, the cooked starches, are making your body so acidic that the acids are burning hair follicles, okay? It's very important that you take action and fix it. The cause of this acidosis is the foods you're eating, the animal products, the cooked starches. They have an acid hit on the body, and if you continue consuming these foods, it makes the kidney function poorly. The kidneys can't filter those acids out properly, and the lymphatic system, the system that removes those acids from your 100 trillion cells, also does not move properly. This means that all the acids have nowhere to go, and they begin to burn organs, glands, tissue, and hair follicles, and that's why your hair will fall. But it's a very severe condition, because if it's affecting the hair follicles, it's affecting your eyes, your ears, your nose, your entire face, and there are glands and in your head that are crucial for health. Like the pituitary gland controls everything in your body. If that goes, everything literally will go, okay? All the nervous system is all up here. So you want to take action. Your thyroid is here as well. So this is not a hair loss issue. It's a health issue. You have to detox the body. You have to go on 100% fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Have your grapes, have oranges, melons. Doesn't matter. This has to be raw fruits. You don't eat any cooked starches. You don't eat any animal products. You need to take herbs for the hair as well at the same time. This is in combination. So you go 100% fruits, and you take herbs for the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels. In addition to that, you can take herbs for the head region. We call it brain and nerve, and we also call it upper circulation. These two combined with the 5 tinctures will help you detox the body. And in addition to that, you can go externally as well, use herbs externally. There are herbs you can use that will help the body, the scalp, have more blood flow. Herbs like hibiscus, amla, which has 30 more times vitamin C than an orange. Herbs like H.S. which is known to be a vasodilator. This means that it increases the width of the blood vessels going to the scalp. This means more hair growth. There are herbs like Eucalyptus alba, which was shown in a study to be more effective than minoxidil without any side effects. So you combine the fruits with the herbs you ingest, plus the herbs you apply externally as a scalp massage. And you'll be doing all you can to grow your hair. But more importantly, you're going to get healthy. It's going to clean you out. You're going to lose some weight. Skin is going to glow. You're going to feel fantastic, okay? So take action now. Below is a link, you can click it. It's a free protocol you can use to help heal yourself. The free fruit protocol. Get the herbs for the internal system, the 5 I mentioned. It's called the Fab 5. The adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels. And get herbs for external application. The best product to use is the Grow Hair Oil. It has all the herbs you need to stimulate blood flow. Now remember, this is a process. You're trying to heal yourself and fix your health. When you start healing and clean up the body of mucus and obstruction and acidity, you're going to see your hair begin to grow, okay? You see baby sprouts, and you see it get thicker and longer and healthier. Folks, I was once losing my hair as well. You don't believe it, but it's true. I didn't even know it, actually, and my hairstylist mentioned that my hair was getting thin on the top, and I took action, and I switched from all meat and went into a vegan diet, and then from there I progressed into a fruitarian diet. The majority of my diet is fruits, but I'm not a fruitarian, okay? I don't eat meat. I stick with the raw fruits and veggies, and I use herbs, and that's it. You feel better, you think better, everything becomes better. You just have to try it, okay? So I hope this video inspires you and makes you want to take action. Remember, this may be a long-term process. I'm not saying you're going to get immediate results. I'm going to say the process of improvement, you will see immediately, your health-wise, your skin, your hair. You're going to see immediate improvements. So I do recommend that you do take charge and change your hair, your health, and your skin, and everything else, okay? So, catch you there.